Now let's do class 8 exercise 2.2. Solve the following linear equations. So we have already discussed the methods to solve different types of linear equations. You can refer the video. Now let's discuss the first question. Okay, what is the first question? Let's write it. So this is the first one, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so you know that for solving any type of linear equation, the first thing that you should be careful is that you should see whether you are able to separate the variables to one side. Okay, so here you can see that you can bring this x by 3 to this side so that all the variables will get collected in left hand side. Okay, so let's write the first thing as it is, that is x by 2, and if you are bringing this x by 3 to this side, it will become what? Minus x by 3. Okay, then what is remaining there? Here minus 1 by 5 equals what? Here there is remaining 1 by 4. You know one thing, in order to get this variables alone in the left hand side, you need to just take this minus 1 by 5 to that side. Okay, so if you are taking it to the other side, what you will get? X by 2 minus x by 3 equals 1 by 4. This minus 1 by 5 will become what? Plus 1 by 5. Okay, now you can see that variables are on the left hand side and the remaining is on the right hand side. Okay, and I have told you one more thing. What was that? If you are having more than two denominators in your question, then you need to just take the LCM of those two denominators and you have to multiply both sides with that LCM. Okay, so here you need to take the LCM of what? You need to take the LCM of 2 and 3, because here you can see 2 and 3 are the denominators present with the variables. Okay, you need not have to consider this denominators because it's on the other side. You need to just consider the denominators with the variables. Okay, so you have to take the LCM of 2 and 3. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? It's simply 6. That is 2 into 3, 6. Okay, if any two numbers are not having any common factors with them, then it's easy to take its LCM. That is, you need to just take its product, or you need to just multiply them. Then 2 into 3 means 6. So 6 will be the LCM of 2 and 3. Now you have to multiply both sides. Multiply both sides with 6. Okay, multiply both sides with 6. That means 6 into this one, that is x by 2 minus x by 3. Okay, equal to what? 6 into what is in this side? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, let's open the bracket. That means you will get 6 into x divided by 2 means what? 6x by 2. Okay, minus, okay, first you have done this, then you have done this, that is 6 into x divided by 3, that is 6x by 3. Okay, equals, this side you can put the 6 here itself. Now what is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5? How you can just multiply it by simply cross multiplying. That is 1 into 5 plus 1 into 4 divided by what is in the denominator? 4 into 5. Okay, in this way you can do. That is, you are simply taking LCM, but for easy calculation you can simply cross multiply. That is 1 into 5 plus 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 5. That is what we are doing here. Okay, so here what is 6x by 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3, and x you can write, minus what is 6 divided by 3? That is 2. So 2x, okay, is equal to 6 into what is 1 into 5? 5. So 5 plus 4 divided by 20. Okay, or you can write it as 6 into what is 5 plus 4? 9. 9 by 20. Okay, 6 into 9 by 20 you will get in the right hand side. What about the left hand side? What is 3x minus 2x? That is x. Okay, so x equals 6 into 9 by 20. Now let's simplify it. If you are simplifying it, what is 6? 6 you can write it as 2 into 3. Okay, into 9 divided by 20, you can write it as 2 into 10. Okay, because in 6 and 20 you are having 2 as common factor. Just to get that 2, we are writing it in this way. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then what is remaining? 3 into 9 is 27. 27 by 10 you will get as the answer. So that is the answer for first question, 27 by 10. Okay, in this way you can solve this equation 1. That is, here you have separated the variables. Okay, here you have separated the variables. Then take the LCM and then multiply with both sides, and then here you will get the answer as what? 27 by 10. Okay, so this is all about the first question. Now let's see the second question. So this is the second question. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals 21. This is our question. First itself the variables are on one side and the remaining thing is on the other side. So you don't have to separate the variables here. Now what is the next step? You have to Now what is next? You can see that here you have got more denominators, that is 2, 4, 6. 3 different types of denominators are here. So you need to take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Okay. So how will you take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6? You can just do it in this way. First let's divide this 2. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you divide this 2 by 2, then you will get 1. 4 by 2 you will get 2. 6 by 2 you will get 3. Now let's take 2. Here already 1, so let's write 1 itself. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so let's write 1. 3 divided by 2, you cannot do it, so simply write 3 as it is. Now 3, 1, 1. In this way you are taking the LCM. Okay, so you got 2, 2, 3. That means 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. So 12 will be the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. Okay, this is how you are taking the LCM of 3 numbers. Here I am not explaining how to take the LCM and all. I hope you will be thorough with this. Okay, so LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. Now what is the next step? You need to multiply both sides. Multiply both sides with 12, which is the LCM. So if we are multiplying both sides with 12 in this equation, what you will get? 12 into, what is in the left hand side? N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6. Okay, is equal to 12 into 21. Both sides you are multiplying with 12. Now what you have to do? Let's open the bracket. That means 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n by 4. Okay, plus 12 into 5n by 6. Okay, 12 into 5n by 6 is equal to 12 into 21. What is 12 into 21? Let's do it. 12 into 21, 2, 1, 4, 4, 2. Okay, so 2, 5, 2. So 252. So in right hand side you will get 252. Now let's simplify this. Okay, now 12 into n by 2 means what? What is 12 divided by 2? What is 12 divided by 2? That is 6. So 6 into n means what? 6n minus. Now what is 12 divided by 4? 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 into 3n. Okay, plus. What is 12 divided by 6? 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 2 into 5n. Okay, is equal to 252. Understand? Now 6n minus, what is 3 into 3n? It's 9n. Plus 2 into 5n, it's 10n. Equal to 252. Okay. Now, what is 6n minus 9n? 6n minus 9n is minus 3n plus 10n. Okay, is equal to 252. Now what is minus 3n plus 10n is 7n. So 7n is equal to 252. 7n means what? 7 into n. So to get this n alone here, you will have to take 7 to the other side. So n will be equal to what? 252 divided by 7. Okay. Now let's see what is 252 divided by 7. So let's divide it. That is 252 divided by 7. So here you will get 3. So 21, 4, 42, 6, 42, 0. So what is the answer? 36. So n is equal to 36 will be the solution for second question. What is the answer? N equal to 36. Okay. So this is how you have to do the second question. Now let's see the third question. Okay, this is our third question. That is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Okay, so here you can see that variables are on both sides. So our first step is to get the variables alone to one side. Okay, for that let's write the first x here itself. Now you need to write the variables first, that is minus 8x by 3. Okay, now you have to take this minus 5x by 2 to this side. Okay, so if you are taking this minus 5x by 2 to this side, it will become what? Plus 5x by 2. Okay, plus 5x by 2. Then what is remaining there in this left hand side? 1 plus 7 is there. So let's write it here, equal to what is there in the right hand side? Remaining only 17 by 6. So let's write this 17 by 6. Okay, that is we have taken all the variables to left hand side. Okay, now x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2, and you have to take this plus 7x to that side. Only then you will get the variables separated on left hand side. So 17 by 6 minus 7. Okay, so you got the variables separated in the left hand side, minus 7. Okay, now, and you can see that now when you are considering these variables, you have got multiple denominators or more than one denominator. That means you have to take the LCM. LCM of what you have to take here? Two denominators, and that is 2 and 3. So you have to take the LCM of 2 and 3. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? I have told you already, it is 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So here you have to multiply both sides with what? With 6. Okay. So let's do that. Multiplying both sides with 6 will give what? 6 into x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2. Okay, is equal to 6 into what is in the right hand side? This one, that is 17 by 6 minus 7. Okay, in this way you have to write. Now let's open the bracket, that is 6 into x. What is 6 into x? It is 6x minus 6 into 8x by 3. Okay, 8x by 3 plus 6 into 5x by 2. Okay, is equal to 6 into 17 by 6 minus 7. Okay, now 6x minus, what is 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3 is what? 2. 6 divided by 3 is what? 2. So 2 into 8x. Okay, 2 into 8x. I am increasing the steps just to understand. Okay, you can just write all the steps in one step itself, but I am just increasing the steps for easy understanding. Okay, now what is 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you can write it as 3 into 5x is equal to 6 into 17 by 6 minus 7. Okay, now you can write this as 6x minus, what is 2 into 8x? It's 16x plus what is 3 into 5x? It's 15x. Okay, is equal to, just open this bracket so that you will get 6 into 17 by 6. Okay, 6 into 17 by 6 minus 6 into 7. Okay, 6 into 7. Understand? Now what is 6x? 6x minus, what is 6x minus 16x? 6x minus 16x is what? Minus 10x. Okay. Now what is minus 10x plus 15x? Minus 10x plus 15x is what? 5x. Okay. Minus 10x plus 15x is 5x. So let's write 5x is equal to. Now here you can see that here it's 6 into 17 by 6. That means you can simply cut this 6 and 6. So what will be remaining there? Only 17 will be remaining there. Okay. 17 minus, what is 6 into 7? It's 42. Okay. Now 5x equal to 17 minus 42. And when you subtract this 17 minus 42, you will get the answer as what? Minus 25. Okay. Now 5x equals minus 25. So you have to take this 5 to that side. That means x will be equal to minus 25 divided by 5. Now what is minus 25 divided by 5? Minus 25 divided by 5 is minus 5. So you will get the answer as x equals minus 5. Okay. In this way you have to do this question. Understand? So this is all about the third question. I hope you understood this. Now let's see the fourth one. So this is the fourth question, that is x minus 5 by 3 equals x minus 3 by 5. Okay. Actually in these types of questions, the simple step is to just cross multiply this. Okay. That is, you need to just cross multiply and then you will get 5 into x minus 5 equals 3 into x minus 3. Okay. That is cross multiplying. Okay. But how you're actually reaching to this step, that is very easy. That is, I have already told you that these type of question means what? Here you can see two denominators, okay, 3 and 5. That means you are actually taking LCM of 3 and 5, okay, and you will get that LCM of 3 and 5 is what? 15. That is 3 into 5, since they don't have any common factors. So 15 is the LCM. So you need to multiply both sides with 15. That means 15 into x by 5 by 3 equals 15 into x minus 3 by 5. Okay. And from here you will get 15 divided by 3 is what? 5. So 5 into x by 5 equals, what is 15 divided by 5? It's 3. So 3 into x minus 3. Okay. So this is actually this step. Okay. So before taking this LCM and before multiplying it with both sides, you can simply jump to this step, that is simply cross multiply it. Okay. But if you are having any confusion, you need to just take the LCM and then multiply both sides. Anyhow, you will reach to this step. Okay. Understand? So let's do the remaining. That is, you need to open this bracket. That is 5x. 5x. Open the bracket means 5x minus, what is 5 into 5? It's 25. Okay, is equal to 3 into x is 3x. 3x minus 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Now let's take the variables to one side. That is, you have to take this 3x to left hand side. That means 5x minus 3x plus 3x will become minus 3x minus 25 equals minus 9. Now you have to take this 25 also to the other side. So 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. Okay, minus 25 will become plus 25. Okay. Now what is 5x minus 3x? It's 2x. So 2x equal to, what is minus 9 plus 25? It's 16. Okay. Now you have to take this 2 also to the other side. So you will get x as 16 divided by 2. Okay. What is 16 by 2? That is 8. So x equals 8 will be our solution. Understand how you are doing this? Okay. So these types of questions, you can either simply cross multiply them and do the remaining steps, or you can follow the conventional step. What was that? Taking LCM of both denominators and then multiplying both sides with the LCM. Okay. Anyhow, you will get the answer as x equals 8. Now let's see the fifth question. Now this is the fifth question, that is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equals 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, so here first you have to separate the variables. Okay, let's take the variables to one side. That is 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3, and you have to take this t to the other side. So minus t will become what? Plus t. Okay, equals what? 2 by 3. Okay, now you have taken all the variables to one side. And here also you can see that there is more than one LCM. There is more than one denominator. That means what? Here you have to take the LCM. LCM of what you have to take? This 4 as well as 3. Okay, so LCM of 4 and 3 you have to take. What is LCM of 4 and 3? That is 12. Since they don't have any common factors, you need to just multiply and you will get the LCM. So 4 and 3, LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So you have to multiply this 12 with both sides. In the left hand side you have 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 plus t. Okay, is equal to 12 into, both side you have to multiply. What is in the right hand side? In the right hand side you have got 2 by 3. So 12 into 2 by 3. Okay. Now let's open the brackets. So if you are opening this bracket, what you will get? Let's see. 12 into this one. That is 12 into 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 12 into this. That is 12 into 2t plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, plus 12 into t means what? Plus 12t. Okay, is equal to 12 into 2 divided by 3. Okay, now what is this? 12 into 3t minus 2 divided by 4. Okay, 12 into this. What will be the answer? You know that 12 divided by 4 is what? 3. Okay, so 3 into 3t minus 2. Okay, minus, what is 12 divided by 3? That is 4. So 4 into 2t plus 3. Okay, plus 12t equals, what is 12 into 2? 12 into 2 is 24. 24 by 3. Okay, understand? Now let's open this bracket again. So what is 3 into 3t? It's 9t minus, what is 3 into 2? It's 6. Okay, now minus, you have to take this minus. 4 into 2t is what? 8t. Okay, let's write this inside the bracket. Why? Since here there is a minus sign, let's write the things inside the bracket. Okay, minus 8t, then what? 4 into 3. What is 4 into 3? 12. So plus 12. Okay, minus 8t plus 12. Okay, plus what is there? 12t equals, what is 24 divided by 3? It's 8. Understand this step? Here don't forget to put this bracket. Why? Because since here minus sign is there, if you are not putting the bracket, then your answer will change. Okay, so now what is there? 9t minus 6. Now we have to take this minus to inside. Okay, that means what? Minus 8t. Minus into 8t means what? Minus 8t. Okay, now this minus, here since there is nothing here outside the bracket and minus is here means what? You have to consider it as minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 into 8t means you have written it as minus t. Now minus 1 into 12. What is minus 1 into 12? It's minus. Okay, so you have to write it in this way. Plus 12t equals 8. Understand this step? Now let's write the variables nearby. Let's write the variables together. That is 9t, then minus 8t, then plus 12t. Okay, then what is remaining? Minus 6 minus 12. Okay, is equal to 8. Understand? Now what is 9t minus 8t? 90 minus 8t is t. Now t plus 12t is what? 13t. Okay, so 13t is not equal to 13t. Now what is minus 16 minus 12? It's minus 18. So 13t minus 18 is equal to 8. Okay, so 13t. Now you can take this 18 to other side. So 8 plus 18. Okay, since that 18 is going to other side, minus 18 will become plus 18. So 13t is equal to what? 26. 8 plus 18 is 26. Now you have to take this 13 also to the other side. Then you will get t as 26 divided by 13, which is equal to 2. Or you can get, say, t equal to 2. Okay? Understand? Now let's see the sixth question. So this is our sixth question. M minus 1 by 2 equals 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Okay. So here also let's take the variables to one side. So let's write it. That is m minus 1 by 2. Now you have to take this variable part also to that side. So this is already minus. So when it's coming to other side, it will become plus. So plus m minus 2 by 3. Okay, is equal to what is remaining there? 1. Understand? Now here also you can see two denominators are there, that is 2 and 3. So let's take what? LCM of 2 and 3. And now you know that LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So you have to multiply both sides with 6. So 6 into m minus 1 by 2 plus m minus 2 by 3, okay, is equal to 6 into 1. Okay, both sides you have multiplied with 6. Now let's open the bracket. So what is 6 into m? That is 6m. Okay, now put this minus. Now 6 into, what is there? m minus 1 by 2. Okay, m minus 1 by 2. Okay, plus you have to take this 6 to here. So 6 into, what is there? m minus 2 by 3. Okay, m minus 2 by 3 equal to what? 6 into 1 is 6. Understand? Now 6m minus, okay, you know that what is 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. Okay, so 3 into m minus 1. Okay, understand how you are getting this 3? You are just dividing this 6 by 2. Now plus this 6 divided by 3. What is 6 divided by 3? It's 2. Okay, so 2 into what is remaining there? M minus 2. Okay, is equal to 6. Understand? Now let's write this 6m minus, what is 3 into m? This minus should be taken alone. That is minus 3 into m. What is minus 3 into m? It's minus 3m. Okay. Now what is minus 3 into minus 1? Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Understand? This step should be noted carefully. That is, you should not simply multiply this 3 alone with m. Instead, you should take this minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 into m is minus 3m. Similarly, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Understand? Now, plus what is 2 into m? It's 2m minus what is 2 into 2? It's 4. Okay, this and this you are doing. Okay, is equal to what? 6. Understand this step? Whenever a minus is coming before the bracket, you should be careful. Okay, otherwise no problem. Now 6m, what is 6m minus m? 6m minus 3m. 6m minus 3m is 3m. Okay, 3m plus 2m. 3m plus 2m plus 3, then what? Minus 4 is equal to 6. That is, we have written the variables together and the constants together. Okay, so what is 3m plus 2m? It's 5m. Okay, 5m. Now what is plus 3 minus 4? It's minus 1. So 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. Understand? Now let's take this minus 1 to the other side. So 5m is equal to, when minus 1 is taken to other side, it will become plus 1. So 5m is equal to 7. Okay. Now you have to take this m5 to other side. So m will be equal to what? 7 divided by 5 or 7 by 5. Understand? So 7 by 5 will be the answer for this question. Okay. M equals 7 by 5. Understand? So this is all about the sixth question. So I hope you understood this. Solve the linear equations. 1 to 6 questions. Okay. In all the questions we are doing the same step, that is taking the LCM and multiplying. Okay. And you should be careful when minus sign is coming before any bracket. Okay. So that's all. We will discuss the remaining questions in the next video. Okay. Thank you.